How do I track my lost Galaxy Buds case?
Hello viewers! In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to track your lost Galaxy Buds case. It's a common scenario to misplace these tiny but crucial accessories, but fear not. Samsung has a way to help you locate them. Let's dive into the process.
Understanding the limitations.
Firstly, it's important to clarify that you can only track the Galaxy Buds themselves, not the charging case. The charging case doesn't have any networking or GPS capabilities, hence, cannot be directly tracked. If your buds were in the case when you misplaced it, you're in luck. Let's explore how to find the Galaxy Buds using Samsung's SmartThings Find service.
Setting up SmartThings Find.
If you haven't already, you need to set up the SmartThings Find service. This service allows you to locate your lost Samsung devices, like your Galaxy Buds. 1. Install the SmartThings app from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store on your Samsung device. 2. Open the app and sign in with your Samsung account. 3. In the app, navigate to the More tab and select SmartThings Find. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the service.
Using SmartThings Find to locate Galaxy Buds.
Once you've set up SmartThings Find, you can use it to track your Galaxy Buds. 1. Open the SmartThings app on your Samsung device. 2. Select SmartThings Find. 3. Tap on the Earbuds option. It should display your Galaxy Buds. 4. If your buds are connected to your phone and within range, you can select Search Nearby. 5. The app will display a signal strength meter that can help you find the exact location of your buds. The meter increases as you get closer to your buds. 6. If your buds are out of range or not connected, you can see their last known location on a map. Unfortunately, Samsung doesn't offer a way to directly track the Galaxy Buds case. However, if your buds were inside the case when you misplaced it, you can use SmartThings Find to locate your buds and hopefully your case too. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using your Samsung devices.